Tomica Premium just makes a surprise release of the Toyota 86 as well as the R34 by reissue these two castings with a refreshed looks and feel on the packaging. The one on the right is an old release as compared with the current one. I recently did an unboxing video of 50 of my Tomica Premium collection. The link is down below, and this spells trouble. Let's take a quick look on the updated look and feel on the Toyota 86 packaging. The updated design is much more simple and looks more premium. And just like many of the existing packaging, it shows different view of the Toyota 86 casting around the package. Let's take a very quick look at both castings. They are totally the same, it's just different design on the box packaging. And now a very quick look on the new look and feel on the very first Tomica Premium casting, the R34. Just like the Toyota 86, it's definitely looking much premium and cleaner with the updated design. Both the R34 casting is totally the same, so for existing Tomica Premium collectors, what's your take? Will you buy the new box design or just move on with your current collection? Please share your thoughts below. Bye!